Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we are going to show you how to use this gateway. This gateway is using VOS and the implementation of VARA network. As you can see on the home screen, you can see the featured apps. In this case are basic apps that we are going to use to do some examples of the VARA network implementation. In this case, you have three examples. And this one is a basic interaction with the contract. This one is an example for fungible token. And this one is an example implementing NFTs or non-fungible tokens. And you have other views or screens. You have the editor, where you can write your code for the components on VOS, implementing VARA network. As you can see, you can do some things like create variables, create components using HTML and JavaScript. Also, you can give it some props to test that your component is working, and you can put metadata to your component, like the title, icon, description, tags, and website. As you can see, you can render a preview of your component. In this case, here is going to be shown your component that you are working. And also you can save your component to implement it on the blockchain and save it on your protocol using VOS. And also you can rename your component and do some settings. In this view, you have the documentation of the gateway to have VARA plus BOS documentation. And the home screen, you have what is VOS, VOS features, pillars, and some other content that will be interesting for you during your creation of the component that you want to do. Here you have what is the component. Here are examples with code and other things. Also, you have the anatomy of a component with basics, web browser methods, and more things. And one of the most important, the VARA network section. In this case, is how it's creating how you can create components, elements, variants, different options that you can use, and the syntax of that code. In this button, you can connect to a VARA wallet. In this case, if we click on the button, you can select our wallet. In this case, I'm going to select Polkadot.js, and I'm going to select my account. Also, you can select Talisman or other wallet that you want. In this case, as you can see, I can log out if I do click on the button and select other wallet. In this case, this sign-in is important because you need to sign in a Near protocol account, Near protocol wallet, to save your code on chain on VOS. So if you click here in this button, you can select your wallet. In this case, is my Near wallet. I select it. I can connect with my wallet. As you can see, here is my wallet of Near. I can see my profile, withdraw some space of data on Near, and log out of that wallet. Well, that is everything for this gateway. As you can see, it's easy to use. And if you have a question or something, you can tell us on the Discord or Telegram of Open Web Academy. We hope everything will be fine. And it's everything for today. Thanks.